On May 18, 1896, the United States Supreme Court made a decision that would devastate the nation for nearly 60 years. 7 justices voted to legalize racial segregation. 1 voice dissented. That was all it took. The majority had spoken, and America's descent into systematic, legal racial apartheid was codified. The case was Plessy versus Ferguson. The man was Homer Plessy, 7/8 white, 1/8 black, who committed a deliberate act of resistance. On June 7, 1892, he boarded a whites-only train car in New Orleans. He refused to move. He was arrested. According to court documents, when asked why he wouldn't move, Plessy stated that the Louisiana law violated his 14th Amendment rights. He was correct. The courts ruled against him anyway. The Supreme Court's logic was perverse. Justice Henry Billings Brown wrote in the majority opinion that laws requiring racial segregation didn't violate the 14th Amendment as long as facilities were separate but equal. That phrase would haunt America for decades. According to the ruling, segregation didn't imply inferiority. If Black Americans felt inferior, that was their own problem. The law, the court ruled, could not mandate equality of outcome. It only guaranteed political and civil rights, not social rights like sitting in a railroad car of your choice. One justice disagreed. John Marshall Harlan wrote in his dissent, "Our Constitution is colorblind and neither knows nor tolerates classes among citizens. The law regards man as man." He warned that the majority was laying the groundwork for racial confrontation. He was prophetic. After Plessy, Jim Crow laws exploded across America. Segregation in schools, hospitals, bathrooms, drinking fountains, restaurants. Black Americans weren't just separated, they were degraded. According to historical records, the laws didn't just mandate physical separation, they enforced a racial caste system. Black people couldn't make eye contact with white people. They had to step off sidewalks when white people approached. They sat in the back of buses. They ate at separate lunch counters. Their very existence was criminalized. For 58 years, Plessy remained the law of the land. For 58 years, generations of African Americans were told by the Supreme Court of the United States that they were constitutionally inferior. The doctrine worked perfectly for those in power. School budgets for Black children received a fraction of what white schools received. According to records from the NAACP, Southern states collectively spent less than half of what was allotted for white students on education for Black students. Separation wasn't equal. It was never meant to be. But Black lawyers refused to accept this. In the 1930s, 2 men conceived a plan